my dog came over here, started sniffing and stuff, and she acted weird. Yeah. I just came over here to look for, look for gold, picking up poop and shit. I saw a baby sparrow in here, trapped inside this cage. This was left here a long, long time ago by the people that used to live here. And they moved out, and a different neighbor came in. They never did anything to it. So I'm gonna move, buddy. I'm gonna try to get it out. Release this baby bird right here. All right, so I took this from my neighbor's side. Gonna try to. How did you get in here, birdie? Must have just squeezed through one of these holes, trying to get into the berries or something. There's a bunch of berries around here. There's a berry vine. So let's see. Did it come from the top? Oh yeah, it did come from the top right here. Okay, so we're gonna release the top. We're gonna open the top. Hey, go away. We're gonna open the top and release the bird. Come on, birdie. It's a baby bird too. Berries. All right, flew up to the roof. There it is. Yeah, if this bird doesn't get released today, it's gonna die. See how exhausted it is? That's how birds are. I used to raise birds. They don't get to drink, and one day they'll be dead. They don't get to eat, they'll be dead within one day. They're not like us. 3 days for us for water though. It's just one day.